Welcome everybody. Welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Service Private Limited. So we'll understand simplex and duplex. So they have properly placed everything so that it will be easier for us to understand. Firstly, the simplex, what we are calling it for the ground floor, and duplex is for the first floor onwards. Like this one, it's a one unit, and this is one unit. All right. We'll have the stairs, the bed, and other things. Let me explain it to you. This project we are talking about is by Provident, Deansgate, Manchester. Is the code name of the project. Located on IVC Road. It's a new project pre-launched. 1.9 CR starts at 1900 chain square feet is the starting square feet. Yeah. So let's assume this is the road, and here we'll have the three car parks, three cars. Since there are three houses we have in one building, this is the structure. So this is not high rise. Ground floor, first two floors, like third. So the first, second floor belongs to one house, and the ground floor belongs to one family. One house, and this is one house. So this is duplex 1, duplex 2. So we are calling it as townhouses. So this is the entry and exit for the first floor. So for ground floor, we'll have the room, dining, and for the ground floor, they have given a backyard of 500 square feet. You'll have the slider. From here, you will have the access to your land. This is one bedroom, and this is also another bedroom. And this we are looking at ground floor, everyone. Don't get confused with. Right? Hope you understood. This entire land, the ground floor belongs to one family. Then we have duplex. So duplex entrance is almost the same entrance. You need to climb the stairs. So once you enter, you will be entering into the living area. So we'll look out from here. So this is the living, dining, and there, that one is the staircase to reach out to the second floor, since it's a duplex apartment. Bedroom number, another bedroom, and here we have another bedroom. And there, so two bedroom we have seen. Only one bedroom we have seen. This is one bedroom, and this is the kitchen, everyone. You can look out from the windows. And when we climb, then we have this bedroom 1 and bedroom 2, and the staircase. The staircase of 300 square feet belongs to one family. So this is duplex. Alright, so this is simplex, townhouses. So this one house, the similar way, it's a copy paste. Here we'll have another house. Concept is really nice. So these are all from Manchester. It's a Manchester theme project, you can say, basically. Almost the same. Everything you have. So what they have done, they have just made this little go up. It will be easier for explaining. I'll show you the layout, everyone. IVC Road, we enter. This is the project. Clubhouse. As if now phase 1 is open for sale. This one. This entire is open for sale. It's a RERA approved project. So prices are very less if you are comparing with nearby competitors. Shobha is very nearby, but they are selling 5.5 and 6 CR onwards. And of course, those are row houses, and these are villaments or duplex houses. That's it, everyone. Reach us for details. We'll share our contact number in the description. Thank you so much for watching us. Stay safe. Have a nice day.